Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use the Partition Recovery feature in Wondershare Data Recovery. So after opening up the program, all we need to do is switch it to standard mode, so we can click on this standard mode button here. And then we can click on Partition Recovery. And in this case it will bring up our partitions. It has my main hard drive and two external hard drives I have on here. I'll go ahead and select one of my external hard drives. And we can enable a quick scan or a little more detailed scan. I'll just do a quick scan in this case, and I'll go ahead and select next. And once it's identified that, it's actually loaded up two different partitions. I'll go ahead and look on the main one here, and we can do a raw file recovery, which takes more time, but it will also do a much more in-depth search for us. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on start without that selected. And now it's going to read all of the sectors of the hard drive and look for missing files that have been lost. Depending on the size of your drive you're scanning, it can take a long time, and in this case it's almost at 3 hours and is still increasing. This is a terabyte hard drive, so it will take a long time, but I have already found 101 megabytes in files, so I'm going to go ahead and stop it just to show you the next step. And I'll go ahead and stop, and you can see it's found some documents, graphics, internet, web, miscellaneous, and no extensions. So if we bring these down, we can see the files that have been recovered. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and look at the graphics that were found. I'll look at these JPEG files. If I click on one, I can actually preview it. These are just some screenshots I took a very long time ago in 2011, and they've actually been recovered. So what I'm going to do is I'll select the files I want to keep, and I'll click on Recover. And I'll select an output location and click on recover. And depending on how large of files you've selected, it will take a certain amount of time, and it will load up that folder once finished. And you can see it's recovered all of these pictures that have been actually lost. And that's basically how you use the Partition Recovery in Wondershare Data Recovery.